Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable double tap to turn on and off screen on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to advanced features, then tap on motion and gestures. Now from here, you will find two options. Now if you want to enable double tap to turn on screen, just enable this toggle. And if you want to enable double tap to turn off screen, just enable this toggle. And once you enable both of these toggles, you can double tap on the empty space on your home screen to turn off your smartphone. And also you can double tap on your smartphone to turn on your smartphone. Just like that. Now if you want to disable double tap to turn on and off screen, just go back to the settings app and disable both of these toggles. And once you disable both of these options, you will turn off double tap to turn on and off screen on your smartphone. And this is how you can enable and disable double tap to turn on and off screen on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.